What is going on, everybody? If you're watching this video, you most likely have an iPhone 8, or you most likely love the sound of my voice, and if that's the case, bro, I love you so much. Thank you for listening. But for all those iPhone 8 users out there, Apple actually just recently started the logic board replacement program. So I'll just read a little bit off what they said. Pretty much a very small percentage of iPhone 8 devices contain logic boards with a manufacturing defect, and affected devices may experience unexperienced restarts or unexpected restarts, a frozen screen, or won't turn on. And they're fixing these phones free of charge, and they're saying not only does it affect phones in the United States, but New Zealand, China, Hong Kong, India, Japan, Macau, and I don't know how you say that, and all those other countries as well. So what you basically do is go to apple.com, or you can go to the website. I'll try to link it in the description, but you just literally type in the serial number of your iPhone 8, and then you can see if you qualify for this free service or free whatever replacement program. I'm pretty sure they literally just changed the logic board. So that's that, right? And I'm looking at it at face value, and I'm like, okay, like that's not that big of a deal. I mean, like replacement programs happen all the time, but you also have to remember that this is kind of a big deal too. I mean, at first I didn't think so, but for a lot of people, I mean, they're probably experiencing these problems, and there has to be some people out there in India or wherever in New Zealand that probably don't even know about this specific problem. And it's not like Apple markets this thing everywhere, like, oh, turn in your iPhone 8, and it's not like they're gonna advertise it. So most people don't even know about it, and their iPhone 8s right now are messed up. And it's kind of weird because it kind of makes the consumer have to go out of their way to fix their product, you know? And Apple's not the only company who did it. Samsung with their Note 7, that really messed up. And I really think, dude, phone manufacturers really need to hound down and like fix these problems before they push these phones and devices. It's not even just phones, but like all these devices, they need to really hound down and fix them before they ship them out. I mean, we saw the same thing with the 6 Plus. The iPhone 7s are having problems now. The iPhone 6s and the whole battery problems, and it's like every single phone. It's not even Apple, like I said. In this case, it might not even be Apple's fault. It could very well have been some other company they outsourced the work to, and then they actually just went and they had to find out later that it was actually their problem. So it might have not even been someone within Apple's department, because sometimes they do outsource parts. You know, they go to China and they get these parts for much cheaper. Most of the time they do manufacture them in California, in the United States, but still, it's still kind of weird that that is the case. And if I had an iPhone 8, I would pretty much have to go out of my way to do this, and because I had some problems with my Apple Watch as well. If you guys don't remember the Series 0 Apple Watch, the battery actually had a problem where it would explode, or just it wouldn't explode, but it would like get bigger and then the screen would pop off and things like that. I mean, like I understand it's the first Apple Watch, they're gonna have problems, but still, like us as consumers, we shouldn't have to be afraid of owning a device. Now I know that when I go get an iPhone 8, it has the potential of having this defect, and I don't know if it's already been taken care of or not. So what I'm pretty much saying is like, yeah, okay, like it's already too late, like go ahead and fix it. But I don't know if like in the future, if these devices or if Apple or if all these other phone manufacturers are going to learn from their past, because this isn't the first time this has happened, and it's not going to be the last time this happens either. But really, this is a lost cause, because I can talk all day, but it's never going to be a perfect world, you know what I mean? So like, that's pretty much it. If you have an iPhone 8, I would definitely recommend you to type in your serial number and see if you qualify for this replacement program. It's free of charge, so you don't have to like mess with it. So you don't have to like pay any money or anything, so that's good. Or you can even take it to your Apple store, but it's not for 8 Plus users, just the iPhone 8. I would recommend you guys to do that. And that is pretty much it. I can't believe I went on a rant. This was supposed to be just like a public service announcement. I just went on a rant, my bad. But if you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber we get really does count, so if you could hit that, that would mean so much to me. You have no idea. Also, check out my second channel, Lo-Fi Alpaca. That is also linked in the description below, and it's also on my main channel on the featured channel bar thing, so you can go click that too. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers on there very soon, so if we can make that happen, that'll be awesome. Also, check out the other links down in the description, my Twitter, my Instagram, all that stuff is down there. I would really appreciate if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.